If you have ever wondered how AI is transforming the way we create products, build structures, and shape the world around us, you are in the right place. Hi and welcome to Upskul. In this video, we will explore how AI is revolutionizing the core industries like manufacturing, fabrication, and automation, making them smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. From robotic arms to smart factories, AI is driving massive change in the industrial landscape. Let's dive into how this transformation is happening. First, let us talk about AI in automation. Automation has been around for decades, but AI is taking it to new heights. Traditionally, automation has been used in manufacturing for repetitive tasks like assembly lines, packaging, or material handling. But now, AI is being integrated into these systems to make them smarter, more adaptable, and more efficient. AI enabled robots and machines can learn from their environment and adapt to different tasks. Unlike traditional automation, which follows fixed instructions, AI powered automation systems can make decisions on their own based on real time data. For example, in a factory, robots can adjust their movements or processes based on changes in the product or environment, all without human intervention. Let's take the example of autonomous mobile robots used in warehouses. These robots use AI algorithms to navigate spaces, recognize obstacles, and optimize their route to deliver materials where they're needed most. This reduces human labor and increases operational efficiency. Next, let's move on to AI in fabrication. Fabrication refers to the process of creating complex components from raw materials. Things like cutting, welding, or assembling parts into a final product. In traditional fabrication, precision and consistency are the key, but even the smallest errors can cause significant setbacks. AI is solving this problem by ensuring increased accuracy and quality control in fabrication processes. With the help of AI, we can now monitor the fabrication process in real time and make adjustments as needed to ensure perfection. One of the most exciting areas is AI-assisted 3D printing. With AI, 3D printers can not only follow the digital design but can optimize the printing process on the fly. AI can assess material properties, print speed, and temperature, ensuring the part is fabricated with the utmost precision. For example, in the aerospace industry, AI-powered 3D printing is used to create complex, lightweight components that traditional fabrication methods could not achieve. AI helps to ensure that these components are structurally sound and meet safety requirements. AI is also being used in laser cutting and CNC machining, where AI software can adjust cutting paths in real time based on material feedback, improving both the speed and quality of production. Now let's look into smart manufacturing, which is one of the most exciting applications of AI in manufacturing sector. Smart manufacturing refers to the integration of AI, Internet of Things, and big data to create factories that are not only automated but also highly responsive and intelligent. With sensors embedded in machinery and products, AI can constantly monitor production lines, predict maintenance needs, and optimize workflow without human oversight. One of the key benefits of AI in smart manufacturing is predictive maintenance. AI systems can analyze data from machinery to predict when a part might fail, allowing manufacturers to replace it before it breaks down. This drastically reduces downtime and saves on repair costs. For instance, General Electric uses AI to predict failures in their turbines, ensuring a longer lifespan for their products. Another critical area where AI shines in real-time optimization. With AI, manufacturers can optimize their production processes by adjusting variables like material flow, machine speed, and energy consumption to meet demand, cut wastes, and improve efficiency. Siemens and Bosch have already integrated AI in their manufacturing systems, allowing them to have smarter production processes that operate continuously with minimal human intervention, boosting overall productivity. Another significant impact of AI on manufacturing is in the realm of quality control and inspection. Traditionally, quality control has been a manual process where workers check products for defects or inconsistencies. However, human inspectors are prone to error, especially when dealing with large volumes of products. AI driven quality control systems such as machine vision and computer vision have revolutionized this process. These systems can use cameras and sensors to inspect products for defects at a much faster and more accurate rate than a human can. For example, AI powered machine vision systems can detect surface defects, measure component dimensions, and check for color consistency with high precision. In the electronics industry, AI inspection systems are used to detect tiny defects in circuit boards that are virtually invisible to the human eye, ensuring that only high quality products are shipped out. Moreover, AI can analyze inspection data in real time to identify patterns and predict potential defects in future production runs. This leads to zero defect manufacturing and better overall product quality. AI also plays a huge role in supply chain management and logistics within manufacturing. Manufacturers rely on a complex network of suppliers, distributors, and warehouses to get raw materials and ship finished products. Managing this network can be incredibly challenging, but AI is making it smarter and more efficient. With AI, manufacturers can forecast demand more accurately, optimize inventory levels, and improve delivery routes. AI powered systems analyze market trends, historical data, and real time supply chain information to predict fluctuations in demand, allowing businesses to adjust production schedules accordingly. Additionally, AI driven robots in warehouses help manage inventory, automatically restocking products, organizing shelves, and even packaging orders for shipment. Companies like Amazon use AI powered robots to improve the efficiency of their warehouses and reduce human labor costs. AI also helps optimize delivery routes in real time, reducing delays and ensuring that products are delivered faster and more cost effectively. Looking towards the future and potential of AI in automation, fabrication, and manufacturing is virtually limitless. As AI technology continues to evolve, we'll see even more advanced automation systems capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. Autonomous factories where machines robots, and AI systems communicate with each other seamlessly are already in the works. These factories will operate 24/7 with minimal human input and will be able to respond to real-time changes in demand or production schedules. Moreover, as AI and machine learning advance, we'll see systems that are not just reactive but proactively innovate in manufacturing processes. These intelligent systems will be able to optimize their own workflows, develop new manufacturing techniques, and even learn from past failures to ensure continuous improvement. In the coming years, we can expect AI to become deeply integrated into every aspect of manufacturing, from design and production to supply chain and after sales service. It will drive new levels of productivity, cost efficiency, and sustainability. To sum up, AI is transforming every aspect of automation, fabrication, and manufacturing, from improving production efficiency and precision to enhancing quality control and optimizing supply chains. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on these industries will only grow, driving the future of manufacturing towards greater innovation and sustainability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be interested in learning more about AI's impact on industries. Feel free to leave a comment below. What do you think the future holds for AI in manufacturing? Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.